Good morning, guys. So I decided to go ahead and just get my tripod and stop being lazy because it's about to be that time that I am going to have to set up and record, and yay. So I just got dressed and I didn't do like my makeup or my hair or anything yet, but this is my outfit of the day. So I decided to wear this. I wish my Zoom was like working properly, but so I am wearing this Mason Margiela turtleneck sweater. I'm in love. And I'm wearing this skirt that I got from Shein. It's just like a cute little like flowy skirt, and then I'm wearing some like, you know, these stockings with it and some cute booties. Maybe I can show you guys like the full look, like actually I don't know, when I get to New York or something. I really didn't know if I wanted to wear this because of the weather. It looks like it's gonna be around the 70s like once I'm actually there, pretty much. Like right now it's about 60 something degrees, but it looks like it's about to get like in the 70s later on. But it's also going to be raining, so I didn't want to like wear anything like, you know, so that's also why I went with the skirt, so that like something can be breathable just in case it is kind of hot up north. 70s are probably different than like Georgia 70s because it could be very hot. Oh my god, this is super high. What am I doing? Like, this is super high up. Okay guys, I'm about to come back on the camera once my makeup is done. The makeup done, the hair done, and just everything. I just love it. And I really wish I could show you guys a full look. I'm literally trying to... Oh my god, I just wish I could show you guys the full look. The camera is not doing it justice, but if you saw me in person, you would be like, OMG, like. Well, I am about to go. I was trying to do Instagram reels, and it's like I'm having a hard time setting up my camera so I can really get the full look, but I think I'm gonna have to just put my phone on the tripod. And also I'm wearing these boots and I just don't feel like my feet hurting. I didn't bring any slides or anything, so that really sucks. But look, I like curled the ends of my hair instead of like the full, like, you know, the full thing. So I like curl the ends of my hair. I'm so happy that I'm gonna be meeting up with people and they're like gonna be staying with me, so I have somebody to like help me film my content or like shoot my pictures. I think I'm better with shooting pictures by myself, but with the camera stuff, sometimes like I'm trying to get angles and make it like a full production, and it's just annoying like when it's not working out how I'm trying to see it. I will see you guys in the next clip when I'm at the airport because I need to check out at this hotel and head to New York. So peace. I actually ended up paying to get like a window seat, but they had asked me was I okay with like switching for like an accessibility type thing with somebody, so they just gave me this whole row, so I'm super excited. I just love having window seats. So I usually end up just like listening to music while I'm on the plane, but I think I want to just read this book. I kind of like read some of it but skimmed around with it. I didn't end up getting like any coffee. I definitely had time, but I was just like looking at all of the birthday posts that some people had posted, like saying happy birthday to me on social media. I get a lot of love on Snapchat, but I really don't post on Snapchat a lot, and I wish people that follow me on Snapchat would follow me on my Instagram. But they're just like, I don't know, they just stick on Snapchat, I guess. I also wanted to edit my video that I recorded from yesterday, so I think I'm actually going to do that so that I won't have to worry about it when I like take my temperature, and it was like this like virtual like iPad thing. Look, I'm about to walk in. I'm about to walk in. Did you let him so? Watch out! What it looks like. Oh my. Why is this happening? I have nobody to share this experience with. Bro, this is so nice.
Wow. Looks cute. Looks like the basic updated hotel.
Oh my god.
Don't eat it.
Icelandic water. This is so cute. It's bigger than what I thought in the pictures. Views over here, boo. Views.
Shut up.
Views only. 19 up and only. Hello guys. So it was a while since I picked up the camera. I just had to soak everything in. This hotel is amazing. I have been in this hotel for about a few hours, and I'm like, I just literally can't even leave the hotel because I'm just like mind blown. I probably should have kind of recorded everything when like before I started unpacking, but I mean the room isn't a mess. I just kind of like have some stuff, but like I said, I'm doing a collaboration with this hotel, and so you know the accommodation was just so beautiful. Like they're so thoughtful. When I walked in, they had this really cute setup. Completely amazing. This window, it opens, fresh air. Like I said, it's just rainy, but the fresh air is super appreciative. The way that this is set up is how I really would love for my apartment to be. They even ended up giving me and my guests Starbucks gift cards. So that's so awesome because I was wanting to like every morning just go and walk to get coffee and stuff like that. I'm actually gonna be watching like Sex and the City or something like that, even though I've completely finished binge watching it in the movies. But yeah, they just have this playing in the background, but I can't wait to actually watch TV. It's the remote. I don't know what this pink light thing is for. It's actually pretty cold, so turn the air up. But this light goes off and on. I don't know like what it detects or whatever, but they have a refrigerator. Yeah, just my clothes. Okay guys, this hotel is beautiful. So I ended up changing, and this is the bathroom. Sorry, I'm like rushing this because I really just kept raving about this. I went on Instagram Live, I went on my Snapchat, I went on my Insta stories posting about it. So now I'm like kind of late to like recording and telling you guys about it. So this dress is from Godfrey. I'm literally in heaven right now, and I'm just so happy to be able to be in New York and it be like a business opportunity. Tonight actually I was supposed to be meeting my friend that lives here, and we were supposed to grab, this is her texting me right now actually, we're supposed to go and get some food. The COVID here is like, I don't know, they still have their set rules and all that. So like actually everything kind of closes around like 10 p.m. ish. This lighting is just going in and out, in and out. But yeah, they're COVID, like they have to close bars and stuff around 10, but some of them are still staying open later. But I just really want some food right now. I'm super excited to like, my camera just zooms whenever it wants. Okay, I'm really excited to be eating like different foods here and stuff like that. So before I go, I just wanted to show you guys and I'll probably bring my camera along with me.